Alright, y'all, about to shoot this 12 gauge. Let me know if you can hear it, alright? You heard it? Yeah. This is Stoeger P3000. That's how you do it.